Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shripal Oswal. I attended Bhavdeep sir's practice management workshop, which was from 31st of Jan to 6th of Feb. Guys, I would say it was really amazing experience of 25 hours plus. So, sir has explained everything right from marketing, whether it's internal or external, and the moment when the patient enters your waiting area till how you consult him, that is first consultation, how to communicate with the patient for the conversion of medium to big ticket cases. So I got to know many small, I can say, tips and tricks of this business. I would say it business. Sir has covered every relevant problems which a dentist, right from, I would say, a medium scale to someone practicing tier 1 cities, are facing. The best part about of this program I liked is, you know, you get everything on platter from sir's 22 years of experience rather than you experiencing it and getting into trouble. So you know beforehand what are the issues faced, how the patient may react to your some loops in the communication during first consultation, how he may take advantage of your miscommunication or something like that. And again, the best part of this workshop was role reversal and role rehearsal, where we few of the dentists acted as a patient with particular case, and sir was the clinician or the dentist, and it was like random fire questions from our end, like the way patients ask us during our first consultation. And really we got to know how sir communicate with their patient, how should one communicate. So really it was an amazing workshop. I would urge everyone to do join whenever you get an opportunity. So I'm really thankful to Bhavdeep sir. I mean, he has covered every other topic, from marketing, from staff related policies, from warranty related policies, lab warranties, and then your importance of first consultation, how should be your communication, how should be your personal outlook, and I would say every other point, you know every other point regarding discounts, how to deal with bargaining patients, scheduling of your appointments. So it was indeed an amazing experience. Thank you so much, sir.